Hello everyone! We're putting together a variety of quick tech tips to help you learn something new and master your computers and devices, so check back for others as they become available. My name is Kim and I'm a Senior Library Assistant at the Kitchener Public Library. You may recognize me from the Central Branch.
Today I'm going to show you how to get started with Google Drive and apps. Remember that the video can be paused at any time by pressing the spacebar or by clicking on the video itself. Here we go!
Google Drive is a way to save all of your files online. So why use it?
It's great for collaboration with others on group projects, gives you free storage space, and is available anywhere you go with the internet. No software required. Did you know? If you have a Google account, you already have access to Google Drive and the Google applications I will be talking about in this video. If you don't already have a Google account, you can sign up for one for free. When creating an account, you can sign up for a Gmail email or use an existing email. If you need help with how to create an email, check out our Intro to Email tutorial at this link. Once you have a Google account, you will have access to an assortment of programs that you can use on the internet. Working on the internet means that your work is available no matter where you are, as long as you are connected online. Sync between multiple devices such as a phone, tablet, or computer, and share easily with friends and family. In this video, we are going to be focusing on Google Drive storage and how to use it with Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. I will be demonstrating using a Windows 10 computer, but there are also app versions available for mobile devices, tablets, and Chromebooks that will look a bit different. Google Drive comes with 15 gigabytes of free cloud storage. Cloud storage means that files are stored online instead of on your computer, in this case Google Drive, and are available anywhere online when you sign into your Google account. You can see your available storage on the left-hand menu when in Google Drive. Remember that your files are only as secure as your Google account password. Create a strong password and keep it safe. On your Drive homepage, you can see your recently opened files. Below them are all of your files shared to Drive. You can change how you view your files by clicking the List View or the Grid View option near the top right-hand corner of the screen. You can better organize your files by creating folders. To create a new file or a new folder, click the New button on the left menu. If you don't see the type of file you want to create, click More to see more options. Under New is also where we can import files and folders. Alternatively, you can upload files such as pictures, PDFs, and Microsoft Office documents into your open Google Drive window by dragging and dropping them. To open a file, double-click on the name or the picture of the file you'd like to open. If you open a non-Google file such as a PDF, a Microsoft Word document, or a picture, it'll open within the website window. You can then choose to open the file using an application on your computer, edit the file using a Google app, send it to print, or download the file. There are even more options if you click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner, such as sharing the file with others. You can return to Drive by clicking the back arrow in the top left corner, or just clicking off of the file anywhere in the gray area. If you right-click on a file, you can view a lot of the same options as opening the file. One major exception is that there is no option to print. You can also right-click a folder to see the same options, or double-click the folder to open it. Additionally, you can click and drag a file to move it into or out of a folder, or right-click a file and select Move To and choose the folder where you'd like to store the file. One of the fabulous things about using Google Drive is its collaborative nature. It allows you to easily work together with others and share your information in files effortlessly. There are multiple ways to share a file or folder with another person. In Drive, you can right-click a file or folder and then select Share. If you have the Google file already open, you can click the Share option in the top right-hand corner of the screen. If you have the non-Google file open, you can find the Share option by clicking the three dots in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once the Share option is open, you can choose to share directly with others using their email, or you can choose to get a shareable link. With a shareable link, anyone who has the link can access your file or folder. Consider the privacy of your file and know that if the link is reshared, new people will still be able to see your file. You can choose whether or not you want the person you are sharing the link with to be able to edit or comment on the file or folder. You can always change these settings later if needed. Google Drive is made to work well with other Google apps. Let's learn more about the most popular apps now. When you double-click to open one of these types of files, it'll open in a new tab on your web browser. All of these apps are also web-based and do not require specific downloaded software to use. Google Docs is a lot like Microsoft Word. It allows you to create simple but professional-looking documents, such as a resume or a letter. You can format the text by bolding or underlining, adjust the font type, size, and color, and align the words how you want it. It also has spell check and a word counter, which you can find under the Tools menu. Google Docs can also open and edit Microsoft Word documents, but sometimes the document won't look quite right transferring between the two programs. Google Sheets is similar to Microsoft Excel and allows you to create spreadsheets to record your data and calculate statistics. Most formulas available in Excel are also available in Sheets. You can format your cells by adding borders or shading. You can sort data by choosing the Sort option under the Data menu, or choose the Freeze rows or columns under the View menu. Google Slides is a lot like Microsoft PowerPoint and allows you to create slideshow presentations. You can use a base theme or customize your own slides. Add text, pictures, music, charts, graphs, videos, and more. The Motion tab found under View allows you to add slide transitions and animation effects. When you are done, you can present right in the web browser. Google Forms allows you to create your own surveys or tests. Add text to introduce your survey and include pictures, GIFs, or even embedded videos. You can add many types of questions, including multiple choice, checkboxes, short answers, drop-down lists, and more. You can make a question mandatory and add descriptions to questions if you want to. You can choose when the form moves to the next page by creating sections. When you're done, click Send in the top right corner to send out your survey to an email address or by sending a link. You can even choose to shorten the link to make it easier to share. Once you share your survey, you can review what people answered on the Responses tab at the top of the page. Don't worry, your participants won't see the responses. All these Google apps will save as you write, so you will never have to worry about losing your work. You need to be working online in order for it to save though. When you are done editing, you can download your document as another file type, such as the similar Microsoft file, example Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, or as a PDF. Remember to log out of your Google account if you're using a public workstation, such as a computer at the library. So there you go, a quick overview of how to get started with Google Drive and apps. You can watch this video again if I went too quickly, or check out Google's help page here. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you face-to-face in the library again soon. Take care!